All right, so I got an Amazon box here. Let's see what we got. So this, essentially a garbage bag that goes on the back of your vehicle. This thing is massive, holy mac. All right, so there's your backpack straps right there. And then what else came inside? It looks like Velcro. Yeah, Velcro. And instructions. All right, so let's get downstairs, put this on the Yukon and see how it looks. I think it's gonna look really nice. All right, so installing the Trust-Root onto the Yukon is gonna be a little bit different than normal. Usually what this bag is for is mounting it onto a fifth wheel. For instance, like a Jeep, like my buddy's Jeep over here. He has this spare tire on the back of his Jeep, so then you're just gonna mount it on there. Yukon doesn't have it. All right, so I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. One of the benefit things about the Yukon is that this hatch right here, this glass, can actually pop up. All right, so what we're gonna do is actually gonna mount the Trust-Root to the tailgate itself. Let's go ahead, pop this thing. And there it goes. So as I said, the hatch pops up. So now all we just need to is just mount it to the tailgate. We want it to be tight, but not too tight. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, it didn't close. So we got our two straps, click it in, but at the same time, we have to pull the Trust-Root down a little bit. All right, and then let's just tie up these straps, or the loose part of the straps, so that way they don't stick out when we close the hatch. All right. Make sure the strap's not going to get caught at the bottom. Okay, there we go. Now that we have everything strapped in, you want to just keep the bag just a little bit lower than where it's going to be. Close your glass very gently, not all the way, and just line it up. I'm going to line it up just below the glass right here, and just give it a little push. Now it's in there, and now it's secure. Okay, so the bag itself is massive. It's huge. So let's start from the top and work our way down. So on the top here, we have a pouch. What I am keeping in here is actually garbage bags. I have lots of garbage bags. So this is where I'm gonna put my spare garbage bag and maybe whatever else. I'm not gonna put a lot of stuff in here, just the essentials that I need. You can also see up here, this did not come with the bag, but I am going to be using these massive paper clips. So when I put the garbage bag inside, I am going to be drooping it over and then using the clips to hold the garbage bag up so it doesn't fall inside the bag. Okay, so there's a bunch of straps over here that you can actually put clips or even first aid bags or any other stuff that you want to mount there. Down a little bit lower, you're going to have this nice mesh bag. This is going to be good to like maybe put bottles in here if you don't want to put it inside. Maybe you opened up a bottle of Sprite or something. You could put it in there if you didn't finish it. There's a lot of uses for this bag itself. When you're on your way out to go actually camping, you could put bags of firewood in here. Now, by doing that, you're actually eliminating a lot of mess inside the truck. And trust me, eliminating as much mess as you can inside your rig is like the ideal thing for me. So putting bags of wood in here is a really good place to store. All right, so one of the beneficial things about having a Trust-Root on the back of your truck is not only is it good for garbage, but when you're on your way out to the trails or when you're on your way out to go actually camping, you can put bags of firewood in here. Now, by doing that, you're actually eliminating a lot of mess inside the truck. And trust me, eliminating as much mess as you can inside your rig is like the ideal thing for me. So putting bags of wood in here is a really good place to store. All right, so one of the problems already that I can see with doing this type of method, it's not really a big problem, is it actually covers half of the license plate. So what I'll probably end up doing is put in a bungee cord around the bag to pull it like this so that way it's accessible. All right, so when the trip is over, finding a spot for the Trasharoo is actually really easy. And the reason for that is it folds down into a nice manageable compact size. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Let's do it. All right, like I said, it folds down to a very manageable size. So when you're done folding it, throw it into the back of your rig or into your overland gear, wherever you store your stuff, and it's ready for your next overland trip or camping trip. So that is the Trasharoo. I hope you enjoyed the video, and think about subscribing, give a thumbs up if you like the video, and until the next time, who knows, maybe I'll see you out there.